Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials so you can act fast. Check that your Exness account is verified and not flagged. Trading disabled often follows verification or balance rules. Next, open Mt5 and confirm the exact account number, password, and server name. Mismatches block trading. Make sure your Mt5 build and device clock match Exness server time, and test your internet on a stable network. Once done, you'll be ready to move into authentication and settings fixes. Now focus on credentials and client verification. This is the complex middle step. Re-enter both trading and investor passwords carefully. Small typos or saved old credentials cause disabled trading. If passwords still fail, reset the trading password in your Exness cabinet and apply the new credentials to Mt5. If Mt5 shows errors, run a repair or reinstall to fix corrupted files and missing DLLs. While reinstalling, export templates and profiles, then import them back. Finish by checking account conditions and contacting support if needed. Verify margin requirements, available balance, and that the instrument is enabled for your account type. Restrictions can silently disable trading. If all settings look correct but trading remains disabled, collect screenshots of Mt5 messages, your account page, and the error codes. Then open Exness Live Chat or ticket with that evidence. As a quick workaround, use Exness Web Terminal or the mobile Mt5 app to confirm whether the issue is desktop-specific before waiting on support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.